Dr. Edward Howell's groundbreaking book, Enzyme Nutrition, The Food Enzyme Concept, unravels the mysteries of enzymes and their profound impact on our health, longevity, and even the way we think about food. Let's start with a mind-bending idea. The length of our life is inversely proportional to the rate at which we exhaust our body's enzyme potential. In other words, the more we use up our enzymes, the shorter our lifespan. This is a core concept of the food enzyme concept, which suggests that by incorporating more food enzymes into our diet, we can slow down this exhaustion and potentially extend our lives. Howell introduces a fascinating philosophy that both living organisms and their enzymes are inhabited by a vital principle or life energy, separate from the caloric energy we get from food. Think about it. When you have a lively conversation with someone, is it really the energy from the potato they ate that's fueling their wit and charm? Howell believes that complex emotions like joy, sorrow, and anger are powered by the same vital energy that enzymes use to metabolize food. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are enzymes? Enzymes are not just catalysts. They are biological entities charged with vital energy. Unlike catalysts, which work through chemical action alone, enzymes function through both biological and chemical processes. They emit a kind of radiation that can be captured on Kirlian photographs, demonstrating their unique life force. Here's a startling fact. The human race is at least half sick. Even those who feel fit often have health issues like dental caries, acne, or allergies, and these are just the superficial problems. Medical examinations reveal even more. The question is, why are we so unhealthy compared to wild animals? Howell argues that it's because we consume an enzymeless diet. Wild animals eat their food raw, with all the enzymes intact, while we cook our food, destroying these vital elements. Cooking food at high temperatures destroys enzymes, forcing our bodies to produce more of their own. This overproduction of digestive enzymes can lead to an enlarged pancreas and a shortage of metabolic enzymes, which are crucial for repairing body organs and fighting disease. Howell presents the law of adaptive secretion of digestive enzymes, which states that the body will only produce the amount of digestive enzymes needed based on the food consumed. This means that if we eat foods with their enzymes intact, our bodies can conserve their enzyme potential for more important tasks. Howell's research shows that animals fed raw food have smaller pancreases than those on a cooked diet. This is because raw food contains enzymes that help with digestion, reducing the burden on the pancreas. In contrast, a diet of cooked food requires the pancreas to work overtime, leading to its enlargement. The implications of this are profound. By eating raw foods or supplementing our diet with enzyme capsules, we can reduce the strain on our pancreas and potentially improve our overall health. Howell argues that this could be a key to preventing and even curing diseases that are often considered intractable. But what about the safety of raw food? Howell acknowledges the risks of bacterial contamination, but emphasizes that with proper handling and sourcing, these risks can be minimized. He also points out that many traditional cultures have thrived on raw diets, including the Eskimos, who eat raw meat and fish and have been observed to be in excellent health. Howell also delves into the role of lipase, the enzyme that digests fats. He suggests that the lack of lipase in cooked fats could be a contributing factor to the rise of cardiovascular diseases. Wild animals and traditional societies that consume raw fats with their lipase intact tend to have lower rates of heart disease. The book also explores the concept of food enzyme stomachs, which are found in various animals and humans. These stomachs allow for the predigestion of food by enzymes before it enters the acidic environment of the lower stomach. This predigestion can significantly reduce the amount of digestive enzymes needed, conserving the body's enzyme potential. Howell's work challenges the conventional wisdom that all calories are the same. He argues that raw calories are less fattening than cooked calories because they don't overstimulate the endocrine system. This is supported by observations of animals and traditional societies that consume raw diets and remain lean. In conclusion, Enzyme Nutrition, the food enzyme concept, offers a revolutionary perspective on health and nutrition. It suggests that by embracing the power of food enzymes, we can potentially improve our health, prevent disease, and even extend our lives. This is a call to rethink the way we approach food and to consider the vital role that enzymes play in our bodies. So, what can you do with this knowledge? Start by incorporating more raw foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Consider using enzyme supplements to support your digestive system. And most importantly, stay curious and open-minded about the science of nutrition. After all, as Howell reminds us, the secrets of life are often hidden in the most unexpected places. This has been a BrightLearn video from BrightLearn.ai on the book Enzyme Nutrition, the Food Enzyme Concept by Dr. Edward Howell. Visit BrightLearn.ai for more fascinating videos like this one, and visit naturalnews.com for full editorial coverage and breaking news on critical stories that keep you informed and aware of what's really going on.